I was terrified and so nervous, but actually it turned out to be a really positive experience, and now I do prefer them over written exams.
Personally, I believe that the oral examination is a very good way to assess. It's good to train the situation, because this is a situation that you use in real life.
So I arrived and there were people coming out and they were done, and you kind of ask, how did it go for you? And then I drew a question and I was allowed to go into another room, and I think I was there for 10 or 15 minutes, and I could kind of write down bullet points. And you go back into the room.
Then you will sit down, and usually you'll be asked very briefly to start your presentation. Anything from like a 3-minute presentation to maybe a 7-minute presentation or a 15-minute presentation, and then this will take you into a discussion. The internal examiner will take over and finish up. Then the student will have to leave, since that is the only confidential part is the discussion of the grade. And then the grade will be given. The student usually will be called into the room and receive the grade.
So in the beginning I do feel like I was very nervous. But it got better with time. My professor was actually really nice, and I felt like he didn't want to trick me, and he didn't ask any mean questions that we never talked about in the class. My best advice? Well, be prepared, and then in the actual situation, really listen to the question. You are already in this mindset of, okay, what do I know and what don't I know? And by that you kind of forget to actually listen to what is asked, and then you maybe go into a wrong direction or kind of miss the point. So if you really listen, then I feel like you can really go into what is asked, and obviously then you get a better grade.